Well, been outside for a few hours, came in, looks like they have glass cut, the funnel cap. And with 3 layers of 1708. All right, to begin this process, we mixed up some paste. They're smearing the paste over the core, wetting the core out with some straight resin, beginning to lay the fiberglass material in. Stanley now follows them by brushing on a coat over the top of the first layer, and the process begins. Very nice. Nice layup, gentlemen. Very professional. It's beyond professional. It's very Metan. Exactly. As they begin to apply the third layer, 1708, you're going to see Eric jump in there with the fiberglass roller and really begin to roll out any and all air bubbles and soak up all that excess resin. Eric's going around roughing up our laminate. It's going to be vent boxes. You saw Joe fabricating. Put a little tabbing on them. So the boxes Joe finished up. These are our air boxes for our vents. The guys then came in and laid on 2 coats of a product we call bilge coat. It's made by International. It's an epoxy-based pigmented coating. Mildew resistant, lasts a long time. Now let's get it flipped over because we got a lot of work to do on the other side.